Tell stories and thrill the kid in all of us. Here are the nominees for Best Animated Feature Film.
Despicable Me.
3. You will not cry, or whine, or laugh, or giggle, or sneeze, or bark, or fart.
Does this count as annoying?
How to Train Your Dragon. Yes, it worked.
Sorry. That's my fault. Yeah, I'm on it.
The Illusionist. Tangled.
All at once, everything is different now that I see you.
Toy Story 3.
Crap. Hurry up, Justin.
So long, partner.
And the Golden Globe goes
Sexy.
to
Toy Story 3!
Accepting the Golden Globe for Toy Story 3 is director Lee Unkrich.
Wow, were you two even born when the first Toy Story came out?
Oh my god. It's not funny.
Thank you to the Hollywood Foreign Press for this award. You guys have been so kind to us over the years. To everyone at Disney and Pixar, Bob Iger, Rich Ross, Ed Catmull, and especially John Lasseter for trusting me with Toy Story 3. To my producer, Darla Anderson, my amazing screenwriter, Michael Arndt, and my fabulously talented crew. You guys were amazing, and you deserved this alongside me. And that sounded terrible, deserve this. I'm going to pull out my card here before I completely screw this up. To Randy Newman, thank you for your amazing music. My incredible cast, anchored by Tom Hanks and Tim Allen. I love you all for the humor and the emotional honesty that you brought to the film. To my parents, my wife Laura, my 3 beautiful children, every single day you teach me something new about life. And to audience members all over the world who came out in historic numbers and embraced an animated movie that beat with the human heart. Thank you so much.